Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Aaron as always. Sorry it's been a while since I posted a video. You know, being a single dad of 4 kids, life, work, being summer vacation took a lot out of me. So finally get back into it. But today I am gonna redo my closet. So essentially, it's kind of, let me turn you around. So that's where we're at right now. So I got this, right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out and I'll show you guys the process. All right, about halfway there. I got it all cleaned up, sanded down. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end up putting some 1x3s across here, so that way it looks clean, and then I'll eventually paint it up when it's done. Right now I'm just piecing the whole thing together. And as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, just piecing it together. And once I get it all put together, I'll show you guys how it goes. All right, bit of an update. Okay, let's see how it goes. So it's looking pretty good. Like, I'm obviously still gonna have to paint and fix some stuff. I gotta run the lighting and all that. I'll end up showing you guys what the end result looks like. The reason I didn't show you how to put this on is because it's, I'll be honest with you, it's a pain in the ass. It's a lot of, it would have taken me forever if I just follow the instructions. I ended up putting, so I didn't have to find studs because these don't match up. I ended up putting up some 1x3. If I did it again, I'd use some 1x4s. I'll end up painting these. But yeah, I still gotta lay it there and one above. I'm gonna swing it up there. But yeah, not too bad. Let's get back to it. All right. Let's kind of check out the end result, or semi-end result, but not bad. Didn't turn out too bad. So I'll show you guys what's going on. So this part right now is just temporary, and that's due because I'm still waiting for the rest of this to come in, and once it does, I'll fix it up and I'll clean it up just like I did over here and everything else. But I ended up putting up this section right here, this for jackets and stuff like that. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. As always, I'm Aaron. This is Sin City Projects and Outdoors. Check us out. See you next time.